How to fix this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Now, before digging into the specific topic, I would not say that it is actually an issue because these error message or notification that is prompting you upon updating your current Windows is just actually warning you that the current operating system that you're using right now could not be compatible with the specific Windows that you're upgrading into from, say, for example, from 10 to 11. So, to run Windows 11, your PC must meet minimum requirements, including a 1 gigahertz or faster 64-bit processor with two or more cores, like maybe 4 gig of RAM and 64 gig of storage, a graphics card compatible with DirectX 12, with a WDM 2.0 driver, UEFI firmware with secure boot compatibility, and trusted platform module. Now, if you're going to be forcing this out to update by bypassing or changing any settings that you have from your BIOS in your current Windows, your PC will actually crawl because it is not compatible or the specific system that you have internally in your device is lacking. And that is how you fix this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements.